This is Dave Dalke for DowntownSalemStrong.com. We're here today at the ribbon cutting, the re-ribbon cutting of the Salem Courthouse Square. I have with me here David Clark. He's with Structural, and a Maryland company who's come all the way here to the West Coast, David.
That's right.
And there was a company who they partnered with early on, Dalke Construction. And for our audiences, can you elaborate on this collaboration and how well this partnership turned out?
Certainly, absolutely. So, recognize that we were coming from 3,000 miles away. It was very important to us to partner up with a local contractor who had a great reputation and would be able to cover some of the aspects of the project that we wouldn't necessarily be experts in. So we are a strengthening and repair contractor. Dalke is a general contractor that handles all of the interior finishes, the fit out, a number of components on this project. And to be perfectly honest, the relationship turned out even better than I could have ever imagined. Dalke brought with them a lot of experience, a lot of know-how, a lot of relationships within the community, which really proved invaluable to the success in this project. Anytime we had any question we needed to ask about where to go to get this or how to do this, they were right there to help us out. We truly created a team. I mean, we're currently sharing an office right now.
We saw many Dalke trucks here around the facility covering it during the construction time.
Yeah.
You know, also, David, your firm is called Structural, and there's seismic upgrades. This isn't the last time we'll see a building settling over time. And this carbon fiber, I toured the building with you mid-year when we went through and down beneath where you'd shored up, and this carbon fiber is such a remarkable new application that I think you guys are really being the forefront of applying, and that with Dalke using these new innovative construction measures, how did that apply here, and what's that mean for Structural's future to use this new innovative technology?
So here in the Northwest, there's a lot of seismic upgrades that are occurring. And Structural, one of the things that we do with our technologies department is we do a lot of strengthening work. Now this can happen in a number of different ways, but one of the methods, as you mentioned, is carbon fiber, CFRP. You can imagine it's as thin as a tablecloth, yet it's 10 times stronger than steel.
Wow.
So there's different applications for it, but you use it when you need to increase tensile strength in a slab, provide confinement around columns. There's a number of applications. Honestly, I see the use of it growing in the area, and one of the nice things about it is it doesn't change the profile of the member that you're trying to strengthen.
Wow.
For example, you put it on the underside of a slab stays the same size. Cars can still drive underneath it, like in the garage.
Amazing.
You put it around a column. You don't have a big, large column that bumps out into your room. There's a lot of applications that really make carbon fiber good for strengthened buildings, particularly in these seismic environments.
Well, congratulations for applying it here. It's used a lot in this project, I believe, yes?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, we've used it. I don't have the exact figure, but quite a bit of it, all over.
Well, again, from our Salem community, thank you for collaborating, choosing local businesses, and the Dalke family really cares about the Northwest and that they could be a contributor for making this building serve the community, because they've donated in a lot of different facets, but this is going to be such a central high traffic space. So thank you very much, David. Please relay to the Structural team our gratitude. Also, I want to mention that our downtown district has been kind of your family away from home.
That's right.
Hopefully our restaurants, our businesses have remembered your name and made you feel welcomed here. But what would you like to say to our downtown district for the whole staff out here?
I'd like to say that, and I kind of said this before in my speech, that as an out-of-town contractor, it can be very difficult coming into a new situation, especially as far away as we are. For everybody to welcome us with open arms the way that we did, for us to be able to kind of fit right into life here, and really be supported in our operations. It's been fantastic, and I just want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you to the different local subconsultants, subcontractors, particularly Dalke, that we've worked with. It's been a great experience. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. For everything happening here in downtown, visit DowntownSalemStrong.com. Thank you.